Welcome student. Today we will do 25 MCQs with answer explanation on climates of India. This is part 1, so stay tuned for more. Let's start. Which Indian festival is linked to farming and weather? And correct answer is C, Baisakhi. What is the primary cause of seasons on earth? And correct answer is B, revolution of earth around the sun. What type of climate does the Thar desert have? And correct answer is C, arid. What determine how much solar energy a place receive? And correct answer is B, latitude. What kind of climate is found in the Himalayan region? And correct answer is D, alpine. Which wind bring rain to India during the rainy season? And correct answer is B, monsoon. Which region of India has a tropical wet climate? And correct answer is A, western coastal strip. What is the main crop grown in the northern plain of India? And correct answer is C, wheat. What causes monsoon? And correct answer is C, temperature difference between land and sea. What is the climate of the Deccan Plateau? And correct answer is D, semi-arid. Which factor is not directly responsible for climate diversity in India? And correct answer is D, festival. How many seasons are generally recognized globally? And correct answer is B, four season. In traditional Indian culture, how many seasons are there? And correct answer is C 6. Why do trees shed leaves before winter? And correct answer is B, to conserve water. What is climate change mainly caused by? And correct answer is B, human activities. Which area in India stay hot most of the year due to proximity to the equator? And correct answer is A, Kanyakumari. Which region in India is known for hill station? And correct answer is D, Himalayan foothills. What is the main feature of tropical climate region? And correct answer is C, mild winter, wet and dry season. What is an effect of climate on culture? And correct answer is B, festival timing. Which of these is not a direct consequence of climate change? And correct answer is B, deforestation. What do monsoon wind carry from the ocean? And correct answer is C, moisture. Why is the northern part of India cooler than the south? And correct answer is C, higher latitude. Which of the following is affected by the season? And correct answer is festival, crops, cloth. Therefore, answer D, all of the above. Which part of the atmosphere weakens sunlight in polar region? And correct answer is A, distance and thickness of atmosphere. Why do people build different houses in different climate zone? And correct answer is C, to adapt to climate. Thanks for watching my MCQ channel. Please like, share and subscribe to get regular update. Thank you.